Hey guys, so today you're back here with Bethany, and I was just running to show something really crazy. But look at that, all the snow. It's really crazy how much snow is, but look at my gingerbread house. It was actually a success, but then one of my brothers pushed it in. Well, they didn't really push it in, but they took out one part out of it, and the whole thing collapsed, I swear. That was the craziest thing I ever saw. It was funny too, kind of. Oh, look. This is pigs in the blanket. Okay. They're good, aren't we, Ash?
Yes, they're good.
We're going to try to make some more cookies tonight. I swear, I wish Mommy and picked up some more gingerbread house. We would